Mental shift. The State Department's planning to review more than 55 million visa holders for deportable offenses like overstays, criminal activity, and engagement in, quote, terrorist activity. The State Department says that about 6,000 student visas have already been revoked.
I think this is a great idea for America because everyone who has violated the terms of their visa or their green card needs to be removed from the country. It's a lot to unpack. So let's get into it. But before we do, please subscribe to the channel.
And different major headline for the White House this morning. President Trump has ordered a sweeping review of all 55 million U.S. visa holders. Anybody with a U.S. visa, that includes students, workers, tourists, could see them revoked and face deportation. The White House is calling this a national security measure, but some warn that it's the broadest crackdown of its kind in modern American history.
55 million visa holders and green card holders is ridiculous. That's way too many. And then you have to add in the illegal immigrants on top of that. So that's an additional 20 million.
Mills Hayes is following this one closely for us. So, Mills, what exactly does this review mean for people who are here legally?
Margie, it's a fundamental shift. The State Department's planning to review more than 55 million visa holders for deportable offenses like overstays, criminal activity, and engagement in, quote, terrorist activity. The State Department says that about 6,000 student visas have already been revoked, some for minor infractions, others for national security concerns. And commercial truck driver visas have been halted entirely. The administration arguing it's about road safety and jobs for Americans. That's especially true after a deadly crash on Florida's Turnpike involving undocumented truck driver Harjinder Singh, who attempted an illegal U-turn and allegedly killed 3 people. He has been charged with vehicular homicide and is now subject to deportation. Tourists, family visitors, people working here for U.S. companies, anyone with a visa is subject to what the State Department is calling continuous vetting. And according to the Department of Homeland Security, there were more than 12.8 million green card holders at the start of last year and nearly 11 million non-immigrant visas issued during the 2024 fiscal year. That means millions of people currently outside of the U.S. with multiple entry tourist visas will likely be subject to this kind of review, Markey.
So, Mills, what are critics saying about the administration's plan?
Markey, the plan's opponents say that they're concerned with how sweeping the review is. People can be flagged for anything, even what the administration calls anti-American activity. Critics say that's vague enough to include social media posts or participations in protests.
I agree completely. If you're here, you shouldn't be having anti-American posts on social media. You shouldn't be at protests being anti-American. And for students, it's a privilege to come here and get an education. It's not something that's given to you, so they should be appreciative and behave accordingly.
The dangers are like more heightened than ever before. I'd love to be able to say, online to you that, oh, no, there's a First Amendment right. If that person is here with the proper work papers, there's no way that he can't post what he wants to make his voice held. That's all part of the right of free speech. I would love to make that pronouncement, but can I comfortably make that pronouncement to an individual in today's climate? I cannot possibly do that.
Immigration advocates say that the plan raises serious constitutional questions and that the courts will have to decide whether the government can strip legal visitors of status based on such broad.
This is what's wrong with this country. They make people feel like they have the same exact rights as American citizens just because they have a green card and a visa. Green cards and visas can be revoked because of bad behavior, because of criminal arrests, because of different factors. And that needs to be embedded into these people's heads. The same way people with temporary protective status thinks that they have all the rights that Americans have and that they should be here forever. When it's temporary, they need to put their foots down. And this is the first step, and I like it. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.